In this video, we are going to learn about the addition of irrational numbers. Now, let's say, for example, you have two irrational numbers. One is 7 root 3 plus 5 root 5. And the second number is 2 root 3 and root 5. Now, there is a rule for addition of irrational number which applies equally to both addition and subtraction. Whenever we are adding any two numbers, if the under root that we have is common, so let's say in 7 root by 3 the root is root 3. In 5 root 5 the root is root 5, right? In 2 root 3 the root is root 3, and in minus root 5 the root is 5, right? Whenever you do the addition or subtraction of irrational numbers, it's only the common roots that can be added or subtracted. What this means is that I can add 5 root 5 to root 5. Okay, I cannot add 5 root 5 with 2 root 3. Why? Because here the root is root 5, here the root is root 3. Similarly, I cannot add 7 root 3 with root 5 because the roots are different. So whenever you have to do something like this, first thing that you do is arrange the roots in a manner that all the ones with similar ones come together. So in this case, we have 7 root 3 plus 5 root 5. Now, since this is a different root, I'll just write it a little far off, right? And 2 root 3. Now again, you have root 3. So I will just add here 2 root 3. And then minus root 5. Minus root 5. Then basically, I do the addition of these two and I do the addition of these two. Now let me ask you a question. What does 7 root 3 means? 7 root 3 basically means it's like 7 times root 3. And what does 2 root 3 means? 2 root 3 means 2 times root 3. If I substitute this root 3 with a, what this means is this is 7a and this is 2a, right? And what is 7a plus 2a? It is 9a. Now why I did this was because I wanted to explain to you how the addition of 7 root 3 and 2 root 3 would work. In these two cases, we just take root 3 as common, right? And then we have 7 plus 2, right? Or in other words, this is 9 root 3. Similarly, for the second part, which is this, I just take root 5 as common, and what I get is 5 minus 1, right? And this becomes root 5 times 4. And this becomes our answer. Just to repeat, whenever you have to add any irrational numbers, first we bring all the numbers with a common root together. Once we regroup these numbers, the only thing we need to do is take the root as common and then perform the addition, like in this case we did 7 plus 2, or the subtraction function like 5 minus 1, and get the value of the respective irrational numbers. The answer can be obtained by putting in the sign which is prevalent over here.